All right, let's see how to change the interface language. To switch the language on the 1240 machine, tap Tools, tap Print Settings, then tap Language to enter, and you can see all the options. All right, whichever language you want to switch to, just select it and tap OK. Switch to Chinese. If you want to switch to English, just continue and select English. Tap OK, and it changes to English. This is the interface language.